Hi everyone, welcome to Presentation Pro, your online guide for everything about presentations, PowerPoint, slides, and Keynote. Today I'm going to teach you how to get the best presentation slide samples and templates you can use for your next project. As you know, it takes creativity to build a nice presentation, and sometimes it's best to get a ready-made template and make it as your own. For this video, I'm going to show you how to get and download the best presentation online for free. So let's start. Okay, first, before we proceed, I want you to remember these two website URL: giftfordesigner.com and then this fuckdcma.com. Okay, so this is the website for giftfordesigner.com. This is the main page. So as you can see, you can get a lot of slides presentation here. Let me show you something. Let's say you want a PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint slides. Then it will list down all those available PowerPoint presentation you can get. Let's say PowerPoint. Let's just type PowerPoint only. There you go. These are all the available PowerPoint designs presentation that we can download. Let's take a look at this one. So this is the file. This is the brainstorm PowerPoint template by SlideHack. Okay, this is the example for the PowerPoint presentation. Then from this site, you can also download Google Slides. For example, let's type Google Slides. Here, Google Slides. Then if you search Google Slides, it should display all the available Google Slides templates that we can use. So these are all the examples of Google Slides presentation. Let's say we pick this one. Okay, so this is an example of the Google Slides template that you can download and then you can edit. Okay, how about we search for Keynote? Let's search for Keynote. Let's just type Keynote. So if we search for Keynote, it should be able to display all the Keynote templates that we can use on our next presentation. For example, let's click this one. Okay, there you go. This is an example of the Keynote template that we can download and edit as our own. Again, this is the website giftfordesigner.com. So from here you can download a lot of presentation templates for your PowerPoint, slides, and Keynote files. Aside from those slides, you can also download other categories, especially the fonts, graphics, and everything. Now, how are we going to download this file? For example, let's go back to this file. What if we want to download this brainstorm PowerPoint presentation? So to be able to do that, take note of this item code, this one. Then it shows here you need 4 points to download the item. Okay, how are we going to get the points and how are we going to download this file? Okay, to be able to download this one, we need to go to the second link that I pasted here. So this is the one. This is the site. Okay, so for this site, on your first visit, it, it will be like this. You just click login, and then it will ask you to create your account. Okay, so just use your email or make a dummy email. You should be able to create account. Once you create account, you will have an initial 20 points inside. Those points are the one you can use to get those uh, slides that you want. For example, let's go back to this file. Let's say we want to download this presentation template brainstorm, and it will cost us 4 points. So you just have to copy this item code and then go to this FUCK site, then you paste it here. The method, use the points method, and then you type the captcha 105051, and then get this item. That's it. You just click this one. See, it shows success. Click here to download. When you click this one, you should be able to download the file. Let's try. Then download from here. Now I'm downloading the file. Let's download anyway. So it's on a zip file. Just save it. We downloaded the file. So this is the file now. So everything you download on that site will be on the zip file. So let's try to extract and see the contents. It's extracting now. So this should be a PowerPoint presentation. Let's try to open one. There you go. It's a PowerPoint presentation. Let's try to open one. Okay, it's opening now. See, this is the presentation templates that we download. So as you can see, it's editable. You just have to add the pictures and everything inside. So everything is there. It's just for us to edit, add the pictures and everything. So make sure you edit the file according to your needs. Okay, so let's go back to this file again. So this is the one that we download. So these are the contents. So as you can see, when you create account on this website, you will only have 20 points. Okay, since I already used 4 points, I should have I already used 5 points, so now I only have 15 points. What if you finish all your points? How are you going to download if you want something else? To be able to do that, you can use the shortened URL option. For example, let's say you want to download this file, this one. It's a template file. So again, it will cost 4 points to download, but we're going to use the shortened URL. So you just copy this. Let me log in. So paste the code here. Okay, that's the code. And then for the method, use the shortened URL. And then type the 522.817. Now, the next thing is, since we use the shortened URL, it means that they will ask us to uh, click some surveys and everything. So make sure you use a Chrome uh, web browser, and make sure you install the pop-up blocker so it will not ask for a lot of pop-ups. Okay, let me show you. I will click get this item, and then click here. This is the one that I am telling you about, because this one is a free one, so we just have to pass all of this advertisement. So you just have to have more patience and wait until the website load. Next is we have to click this I am human. So since we're downloading free, there's a lot of advertisement, but it's okay since it's free. Just go to the website and then wait for it. Okay, just be patient. Just click get link until you get the download link. So I have installed a pop-up blocker on my Chrome, so it doesn't show a lot of advertisement. Click get link. Okay, then we have to wait for this timer. See, my pop-up blocker already blocks the advertisement, so this is the timer that we have to wait. Then click get link. Okay, that's it. Then the last part is it will bring us to the drive site where we can download the zip file. So I'll just click download here. Once I click download, it will automatically download the file on my computer. Then click download anyway because it's too big. There you go, it's downloading now. 14. Okay, it's downloaded. It should appear on my computer. So this is the file that I downloaded. So there you go. You visit this site, Gift for Designer, and you'll be able to download a lot of presentation templates here, including other options or other things that you want, like fonts, uh, graphics, and everything. Okay, so take note of this website. You'll get a lot of free templates here. That's all for this video. Hope you learned something from today, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of Presentations Pro. Check my other tutorials. See you next time. Stay safe.